Hi darlings, it's the Baking Betty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a vegan carrot sheet cake. This cake is super moist. It's a very delicious, less sweet, and very healthy. Right? It's carrot cake after all. It's a vegetable cake. Alright, please before you watch, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss a single tutorial whenever we do upload. Let's get baking. Alright, we'll first mix our dry ingredients on the side like we always do. So I've added in there 1 cup of cake flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, and then some spices. So I have a mixture of 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon of cardamon. And then you just mix all the dry ingredients together and set them up. Receive your cake. So you continue mixing everything together until well blended and the butter is ready to be transferred into the baking pan. Okay, our butter is ready to be transferred into our baking pan. So I'm using a rectangle baking pan to make this cake because I'm making a flat sheet cake. Please note that you can use any type of pan of your choice, round or even square. And this recipe can be simple, doubled or tripled to make it a bigger layered cake. So I'm just using a spatula to flatten up the top to make it nice and level. And after which we're going to tap the baking pan onto the counter a few times to release the air bubbles. And then after that it goes into the oven. We'll be baking this for about 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted inside it comes out clean. Whilst our cake is baking, let's make the vegan fresh cream. So I've added there half a cup of the non-dairy cream. Into that I'm adding a quarter cup of powdered sugar. Please note that you can reduce the sugar according to your own preference. So I'm just going in with the electrical hand mixer on high speed to mix those until the cream forms peaks. Another thing important to note is that when you are making fresh cream, any kind of fresh cream, whether vegan or non-vegan, your bowl has to be cold. So this bowl is literally from the freezer. So while I was mixing the cake batter, I actually took the bowl and put it in the freezer so that by the time I'm ready to make the cream, the bowl was cold. This assists in getting the peaks very quicker if your bowl is cold. So just a note to remember. So we're just going to continue mixing this on high speed until our cream forms really stiff peaks. Right, our cream has formed peaks. It's nice and stiff. So I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and folding that quickly into the cream just to add some flavor. And then you have nice vegan fresh cream. Okay, our cake is now ready. So we're just going to transfer it out of the pan, remove the baking paper, let it cool before you finish it off with the fresh cream. I'm not going to use any fancy tools to decorate this cake. I'm just simply going to use my spatula to spread the cream across the cake. That is all. You are free to do anything of your choice. You are just not limited to what I'm doing right now. This cream is stiff enough to be able to pipe it. So if you want to pipe it out rather, please feel free to do so. So I'm just going to complete this look by just sprinkling out the chopped pecan nuts across the cake. And we have our nice vegan carrot cake. After which, before you cut it, you can actually refrigerate this cake again so that everything just sets together, and then you are ready to cut your cake. Guys, this cake is very nice. It's very spongy. It's very moist. It is delicious. It's the heat. It's the thing. Try it out and please tell me what you think down on the comments below. And please don't be jealous now. Please share this video. Please, guys, don't be jealous. We are not jealous here. We share things. I'm sharing recipes with you. So please share this love with other people as well so that we can grow this family. We want to grow, guys. Please do that. Please be darlings enough. I am begging you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't joined us. And I do not know what you're waiting for. Please join the gang and hit the notification button so that you do not miss a single tutorial whenever I do upload. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time, do keep safe and keep baking. Be blessed, and I will see you on my next video.